everybody, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do big J's. This is what they look like, and this is such a great beginner trick. It really helps you get the feel for the momentum that it takes to get the Flowstar open and spinning. So to begin, you're going to get a good grip on the Flowstar by grabbing between the 2 points and making full contact with that divot and your palm. This just gives you a really good grip to help you give more control over the star while you're flowing. So the first thing you're going to do is swing the Flowstar out to the side and imagine that there's a weight on the opposite end. And with that weight, you want to draw a J shape. At the top of the J, you're going to flick and release, and that will give the spin. So get a good grip, swing back, draw the J, flick and release. And go ahead and practice a few reps on one side, get a feel for it, play around with it. And once you're comfortable, you can move it on over to the left side or whichever hand you didn't start out with. So once again, get a good grip between the 2 points, pull it back, draw a J, flick and release. Once you get comfortable playing around on both sides, then you can alternate and go back and forth. So when you're catching it, when you're alternating hands like this, you see how I'm catching it almost at the bottom of the Flowstar. It's kind of like at, I guess, like 7 o'clock and 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. And that just like helps you slow the star down. So you kind of want to imagine that your hand is actually going with the star as it's still spinning, and then that's what brings it to a stop. When you do that, you're also positioning yourself to relaunch into a big J for the other hand. You have that momentum already there, and you can use it to fling it up and keep going with the big J's. Well, that's how you do big J's. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I'm Arianne, and we will be posting some more tutorials, so feel free to like and subscribe to stay posted on new tricks.